Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to turn your hobby into a money-making business. If you have a passion that you want to transform into profit, stay tuned. We'll be walking through a step-by-step guide, covering everything from identifying the right hobby to marketing your unique skills. Whether you're into crafting, gaming, or anything in between, there's potential to monetize your passion. So, grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's get started. The first step is crucial, guys. We need to figure out if your hobby can even make money. Not all hobbies are created equal in the business world. Some have much higher earning potential than others. Think about it. Are there other people out there paying for what you're passionate about? For example, if you love baking elaborate cakes, there's a good chance you can turn that into a business. People are always willing to pay for quality, custom-made desserts. On the other hand, if your hobby is collecting rare stamps, the market might be a little more niche. Don't get discouraged though. Even with a more specialized hobby, you can still find ways to monetize it. The key is to find the sweet spot, something you love doing that also has a decent demand in the market. This might require some research and brainstorming, but trust me, it's worth it. Choose a hobby that excites you, and the money will follow. Alright, now that you've got your list of potential money-making hobbies, it's time to put on our detective hats and do some market research. This step is all about understanding your target audience, your competitors, and the overall demand for your hobby. First things first, who are you trying to reach? Let's say you're passionate about photography and want to start selling your prints. Who would be most likely to buy them? Are you targeting young adults interested in minimalist art, or are you focusing on families looking for custom portraits? Once you have a clear picture of your ideal customer, it's time to size up the competition. What are other photographers in your niche charging? What are they doing well, and what could they improve on? Understanding your competition will help you differentiate yourself and offer something unique. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and dive deep into online forums, social media groups, and even competitor websites. The more information you gather, the better equipped you'll be to craft a winning strategy. Remember, thorough market research is the foundation of any successful business. Google Trends, for example, can show you the search volume for specific keywords related to your hobby. The more you understand your market, the better you'll be able to tailor your products or services to meet their needs. Chapter 3. Building your business blueprint. Now that you've identified your profitable hobby and researched your market, it's time to get serious and create a business plan. Think of your business plan as your roadmap to turning your passion into profit. It doesn't have to be a 100-page document, just a clear outline of your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Start with your why. Why are you starting this business? What are you hoping to achieve? Having a strong why will keep you motivated and focused on your goals. Next, outline your products or services. What exactly are you offering? Be specific. Instead of just saying photography services, list the types of photography you specialize in, like portraits, weddings, or product photography. Now let's talk about pricing. Research your competition and determine a pricing strategy that's both profitable and competitive. Finally, outline your marketing and sales strategy. How are you going to reach your target audience and convince them to choose you? Chapter 4. Spreading the word and making sales. Now, here's the fun part, marketing and promotion. This is where you get to show off your passion to the world and attract eager customers. Remember, even the most incredible hobby-turned-business won't succeed if nobody knows about it. Thankfully, we live in a digital age with a plethora of marketing tools at our fingertips. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are your best friends. Create engaging content that showcases your work, highlights your expertise, and connects with your target audience. Don't underestimate the power of high-quality photos and videos. Invest in a decent camera or smartphone and learn some basic editing skills. Remember, presentation is key, especially in the digital world. Consistency is key. Don't expect to go viral overnight. Building a loyal following takes time and effort. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats. Consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. Cross-promotion is a fantastic way to tap into new audiences and expand your reach. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews, share your content, and recommend your services to their friends and family. Offer incentives like discounts or exclusive content to encourage sharing. Chapter 5. Never stop learning and growing. Congratulations! You've successfully turned your hobby into a profitable business. But the journey doesn't end there. In the ever-evolving world of business, continuous learning and adaptation are crucial for long-term success. Think of it like this: you're running a marathon, not a sprint. The business landscape is constantly changing, with new trends, technologies, and competitors emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be adaptable and always willing to learn new things. Make it a habit to stay updated on industry news, trends, and best practices. Subscribe to relevant blogs, listen to podcasts, and attend webinars or workshops to expand your knowledge and refine your skills. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tools and technologies. The digital world is constantly evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Embrace change and be open to trying new approaches. Seek out feedback from your customers and peers. Listen attentively to their suggestions and criticisms, and use their insights to improve your products, services, and overall business strategy. Time to cash in on your passion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on turning your passion into profit. Remember, starting a business is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay persistent, and don't be afraid to put in the work. Now go out there, turn your dreams into reality, and show the world what you're made of. See you in the next video.